Buenos dias, Rachasas! My name is Aubrey and you're watching AubreyJacobsTv. I am very excited for this video because I will be helping budget brides out there to save their bucks on their big day without compromising the look and quality. I am very thrilled to share the details of my wedding dress, shoes, accessories, mostly essential items that I use on my wedding day. I will give you tips how to style and where to buy them, and the prices will be flashed in the screen for your reference. By the way, I would like to grab this opportunity to thank all of my subscribers. We hit 100 subscribers in one day. Muchas gracias por la ayuda. Please spread the word, and if you're watching this right now and you're new to my channel, please hit like, subscribe, and click the notification bell so you will receive an alert whenever I upload videos. Alright, so without further ado, let's get started. The first item that I will share about is my satin solid camisole. It is so soft and comfortable. It has an adjustable strap at the back to ensure that it perfectly fits and will complement your figure. I paired it with my floral lace satin belted robe. I love the details of the floral lace. It gives that boho vintage vibe. They both look good sewed together and definitely a bride must have. It is a perfect for getting ready portraits and putting on makeup and of course doing your hair. My theme is boho rustic wedding. I purchased two dresses because it's always good to have a backup. Since I purchased them online, I ensured that I studied the measurements and reviews carefully. The first dress is this lace backless dress with slit. It has a sexy deep back, perfect to show your glowing skin. It has a beautiful lace and I like that the slit is not so high. I plan to wear this for the reception, however due to Corona, it's not possible. So let me strut this dress for a little bit of exposure. I bought this dress for less than $30 so it won't hurt me much. Then my super glamorous wedding gown. I am so in love with this dress. I received tons of compliments from my families and friends, especially from my husband. It looks so expensive. It has sequin details that are very well put on together. It has this cut out at the back to show a bit of skin but still looking elegant. I think that is perfect for an intimate wedding because it's not too grand and not too simple. It achieves that sophisticated boho vibe that I always aim for. It is a bit long for me, so I have it altered. However, I know that is mostly the case whenever you buy online. There are tons of options for accessories, but it depends on the look you want to achieve. Remember that less is more and everything you put on sends a message. I purchased a Rhinestone Tiara and Faux Pearl Hair accessory. I actually torn between the two, which one am I going to use? The Rhinestone Tiara is so shiny, it is sturdy and you can easily insert the bobby pins on both sides. The Faux Pearl Hair accessory is perfect for boho hairpiece. I asked my hairstylist to make a little beehive and that she can place it like a headband. I look like a fairy as per my friends. Both are definitely perfect for pictorials. The earrings. I go big on the earrings. I purchased 5 pairs. Let's start with these Faux Pearl Tassel earrings. They look so adorable and expensive. It is not so heavy on the ears and the quality is truly excellent. I think it is best paired with Rhinestone Tiara. Second are these Rhinestone Drop earrings. I love the length so much, such an elegant pair. I imagine myself wearing this in a red carpet event. It is so comfortable to wear and not so heavy as I expected. Third is this Flower Decor Drop earrings. Great material, very chic and classy. It's perfect for your white wedding dress. It has that summer cute look. Fourth is rhinestone oval-shaped earrings. They are the perfect size. You can wear them in any special occasion, and I like that it's not so flushy white. It's just the right amount of shine. And lastly, my pick as my bridal earrings. I purchased them in Sasha. It has a rose gold color, pinkish stone with tiny rhinestones border. I decided to use this instead of my big earrings because I have a hair accessories and I don't want to overdo it. I didn't even put on my bracelets because I purchased, I think it will be too much, and of course everyone will be focusing on my ring anyway. But let me share you my bracelet finds from Shein. I purchased 2 rhinestone adjustable bracelets, one in silver and one in gold. It is perfect for tiny wrists like mine. As you can see, I purchased gold and silver pieces for all categories because I want to see how they look in person to decide, and of course the winner will be Team Gold. I am very proud about my veil as it cost me peanuts and a little bit of creativity. I will be creating a video on how to DIY your bridal veil and how to style and design them. I made sure that it has a perfect length that best suits my wedding dress and that it complements each other like husbands and wife. My veil has lace details on its ends, and I designed it with some fancy stones for additional details. I picked up this Stiletto Gladiator sandals from Shein. I'm a bit scared at first to buy shoes online as they might not fit, but I'm very happy with my purchase as it looks exactly how I wanted. White for brides, of course. It is very versatile. I like that I can tie them to my legs so it's easier to walk rather than me dragging the shoes. And heels are perfect. It's not so high, but still it will make you look a little bit taller. They look so sturdy. I wore them during the whole day and I found them very comfortable. And to be honest, most brides wear long dress and gowns, so shoes aren't always exposed. I ensured that I purchased something that I can still use after the wedding. Smart Bride Squad, enter the group chat. It may not be an essential for some, but if your ceremony is in colder months, it is handy to have something that will make you warm. I got this stylish pearl embellished coat. Such a stunning piece and looks so elegant. It will definitely give you that princess vibe on a chilly weather. It has a good quality material, very thick and great fabric. That is my top bridal essentials and picks that I purchased online. This is not a sponsored video, but I truly appreciate online shopping during this time. Shein did a really great job on making everything easy for a bride like me, rather a wife now. So these are my finds and I'm just sharing my honest opinion. And for bride-to-bees who's watching this, I truly understand the stress of putting things in order and ensuring that everything is perfect on your big day. I've been there, but it doesn't really need to break the bank. At the end of the day, what will truly matter is your marriage, you and your husband's union. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that I helped you in some way. And if you know someone whom you think this can be helpful, please share this video to them. And don't forget to hit subscribe, like, and hit the notification bell. Muchas gracias, preciosas. Mwah. Bye!